I spy something that starts with the sound k, k.
Cake.
Yes, it's a cake. I spy something that starts with the sound n.
Nest.
That's it. I spy something that starts with the sound z.
Zipper.
Yes. I spy something that starts with the sound
What's the last?
That's the yo-yo.
Mermaid.
Mermaid. I spy something that starts with the sound ah.
Olive.
Yes. I spy something that starts with the sound b.
Bike.
Yes. I spy something that starts with the sound y.
Yo-yo.
And I spy something that starts with the sound
Umbrella.
That's right. And then I spy something that starts with the sound x. What is that?
X-ray.
An X-ray.